bounding box regressor. Okay, that means you have to identify by creating some bounding box. So bounding box are one of the most popular and recognized tools when it comes to the image processing for image and video annotation. Annotation means we are putting the name or the label above the object. Okay, object box like it is tree, it is car, or it is light post, it is car. Okay, so these are the bounding box regressor technique. Now, image processing is one of the main reasons why computer vision continue to improve and drive innovative AI-based technologies. Okay. If US uh, Secret Service CIA has the uh, pre-trained, they have some model to identify the theft or the criminal, even they are sitting in a car, plane, or moving in the airport, road, anywhere. Okay, in the real time. Okay, so they have some different type of camera which are processing into the real time data. Okay, so even because they have some very high level of criminals are there, so they are also using some different techniques and technologies. So catching them is very typical for the police. So they are using AI there, but in India it is not right now available. But in the they are trying to start those things. That means in the airport, uh, who are coming. That means some criminals are exist in the Dubai, but they are not criminal in the India. So it is very different things. Okay, so uh, uh, computer vision applications are the face of new technology. Okay, this is the very fast growing techniques or the area in the data science. Okay, computer vision. Even in the first or second class, I told about that Tata is going to process the raw material and the steel sheet of the different products which they are making. So they are practicing to apply the computer vision. The computer vision can solve many problems because most of the time, first of all, we have to identify by that object by our eyes. Okay, then we process. Even any type of data, we are just checking by some the images. Okay, sometimes we are just listening and identifying the object. Okay, if we are just closing our eyes and someone is saying that we are working on the road uh, by wearing those clothes like that, something. So you can just imagine, but some image also come to your mind by listening the details of the object. So these are the different techniques. Even the chatbot, when you say about the description in the text form, and the chat GPT will create an object for you. Okay, so these are the different techniques. That means you can say, I want to create a model, uh, human model, which is a man wearing some different types of clothes, wearing boots, glasses, and has some complexion, fair complexion, height of 6 feet height. So these are the details of the object. You are just saying in the text format to the chat or the AI model, and final output will become, you can see an image. Okay, so these are the things you can apply in the. So we will be using the term object recognition broader to encompasses both image classification as well as object detection. Okay, what are the applications or the uses of the bounding? Self-driving cars, because self-driving cars continuously identifying different objects to process the next step. Okay. Because car is in the motion. So first of all, uh, it has to be identified whether we have to turn by seeing the light post, a signal, or the um, so different objects. If in the zebra crossing humans are passing, so we have to stop. Okay, and we have to wait. We have to focus on the signal light post that how many seconds are we have to wait. So if the seconds are decreasing, the images of the light post is processing it by the self-driving car. That and accordingly the car is waiting. Okay, so it has more computation, complex computation. So Tesla is developing the self-driving car, and even Google and some other company also. So these are the examples and the use cases of the image processing. And in the agriculture, we have to identify crops. Okay, how many crops are there, and what type of insects are there to apply some pesticides. So in the e-commerce, how many types of products are there? Okay, so we have to. There are lots of area you can apply those. Okay. So you can just create a model, trained, and just applying into a machine by some different logic. Okay, some uh, even you can just embed your logic, your model into the uh, hardware because some camera have the connectivity with the system, and system has that uh, pre-trained model to identify the different products, okay, which are passing through the screen. So everywhere you can identify those things.